A patient is directed to take 2 teaspoons of liquid medication per day. How many days will a 16 fluid ounce bottle last? Alright, well, we have 16 fluid ounces, and we're talking about taking a number of teaspoons. So we can either convert teaspoons to fluid ounces or vice versa. So right offhand, you might not know which one is bigger, which one is smaller. In general, when you're trying to convert things to a like unit, you probably are safest to go to whichever unit is measuring the finest, whichever one's the smallest. So in this case, we say that 1 fluid ounce is 2 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons. So that would mean that the fluid ounce is 2 tablespoons. This thing is 3 of those, so the teaspoons are definitely smaller than the fluid ounces. Okay, so we have... I'll convert everything into teaspoons. So first off, I'll go to 16 fluid ounces. I'm going to go fluid ounces here and say 1 fluid ounce is 2 tablespoons. Then since I have this written as a number of tablespoons, I know that 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon. And so that means, do some cancellation here, do some cancellation there. Alright, so 16 times 2 times 3, which gives us 96 teaspoons. Alright, so now that we have, we know that this thing, instead of saying it's 16 fluid ounces, we can say it's 96 teaspoons. So now we can go ahead and say, well, 96 teaspoons divided by 2 teaspoons per day is going to be, what, 48, because 96 divided by 2 is 48. And when we do the units here, we get teaspoons times days per teaspoon, because we're dividing by a fraction, so we'd flip that upside down. The teaspoons would cancel. We'd end up with 48 days. So this 16 fluid ounces should last, what, a month and a half.